Okay, so we're trying to teach you how to not get stuck on your belly. So let's roll, roll, and roll forward. Yeah! And roll, and roll forward. Yeah! There you go. Good job. Good job, Arlie. So Mama's not getting any sleep, which is why I look like such a hot mess. Because Arlie is getting stuck on her belly when she rolls over at night and crying and getting scared. So, trying to show her that we roll like this and then we roll back. Yeah, good job. Because she's got the rolling over part real good. Watch. Ready? Show us how you roll over. Show us how you roll over. Show us how you roll over. Yeah, here goes his feet. Whoosh. Go. 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 You're just going to stay like this. Thank you. Thank you. What? Show us how you roll. You're just gonna make noises. Oh, you're gonna go this way. Could you go this way? Could you go this way? Could you go this way? Well, you were rolling over like crazy. Ready? Ready? There you go. There you go. You did it! Yay! Mwah. Such a smart baby. Look at that face. Look at that. Yeah. Say, I just want to crawl. I'm trying to crawl. Say, we're trying to crawl. I have my glasses on. I'm doing work in the office. My blue light glasses, because otherwise I'll get a headache. Oh. Do you see yourself in there? Do you see yourself? My hair is a hot mess today. It's one of those days. Craziness. What? What? Really? Are you gonna be good for my podcast today? You're gonna make a lot of noise. Who knows? Hi. Do you want to come get me? Do you want to come get me? Look at you lifting your head. Oh yeah, there you go. Yay! 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 And roll. See, I'm trying. See, I roll over, but I get stuck. So we're trying to figure it out. See, we're trying. And we love to chew. Yeah. Do we love to chew? What else? Where's your other chewing toy? Did you throw it? She flings everything. Oh, you did? Wow, you have such a strong arm for a little thing. If I could reach it. There it is. Do you want this one? You feeling more pink? What do you think? Your sister got stuff all over this. La la la, la la la. Oh, what she got on it? Oh, toddlers. That's the TV for Amelia in the back. My office has become the baby's area, like everything else. What do you think? Can you sit up? Whoop. Say, we're trying. We're not there yet. We're trying. We're trying. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yep. Put the hand up. Here we go. And up. And up. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ready? Should we try? Oh no, we're tired. Is it back down? Okay. It's a lot of work being you. It's a lot of work being a baby, huh? Let's try to roll over again, okay? Let's try. Okay? You practice? It's good to practice. It's good to practice. Show me. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Yep, yep, yep. You got it. And, yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah! Woohoo! You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Yay! Yeah? You're trying to go, huh? Trying to go? Soon enough, you'll be chasing your sister. Move those legs. 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 You're getting it. Are you going to crawl before a minute? I think so. I think you just want to get to everything. Look at you reaching. Is that baby fever yet? All right, say bye.